大家好，我是老师 J，我是你的中文老师。今天我们要学大话小。Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Lao Shi J and I am your Chinese teacher. And today, we're going to learn more about basic Mandarin Chinese. As bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell or bell button para maging updated ka sa mga bagong video ko. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo, samahan nyo na ako. Let's go! 大家好，我是老师 J. Hello once again, this is 老师 J and today our topic is all about big and small. But before that, let us watch the video first. And this time, we're going to differentiate the big and small first. What do you see? It is ta. Again, open your mouth and say like this. Ta. 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 Ta in English it means big. Very good. Again, ta. Again, ta. In English it is big. What about this one? It is xiao. Again, xiao. Xiao in English it means small. Very good. Again, xiao. It means small. Ta. Big. Xiao. Small. Very good. And how? And this time, I want you to look at the picture and what do you see? Very good. This one is a car. And what is the color of the car? Very good. It is red. What about this one? It's a bus. Very good. And what is the color of the bus? Yellow. Very good. And how? And this time, I want you to tell Lauscher which of the two is ta. Again, which of the two is ta? Ta. In English, it means big. Which of the two is big? The car or the bus? Again, the car or the bus? Let's find out. Very good. The bus is bigger than the car. Very good. Next. Look at the picture carefully. What do you see? Very good. An elephant and a mouse or a rat. Now, tell Lauscher which of the two is xiao. Again, which of the two is xiao? Is it the elephant or the mouse? Let's find out. Very good. It's the mouse. But before that, do you know that elephant is the biggest animal here on land? Yes, very good. Next. There are two socks. Now, tell Lauscher which of the two is ta, the big one. The first one or the second one? Very good. The first one. Now, I want you to tap your shoulder like this and say, 我是很好. Or in English, I am very good. In Filipino, ang galing-galing ko. Nice, good job. And now, I want you to drink your water and pause the video so that you can still remember our lesson. Are you done drinking your water? Good job. And this time, let us sing the song. Do you know what is this? And this time, I want you to tell Lauscher what character are these? Where is ta? The first one or the second one? Again, where is ta? The first one or the second one? Very good. The first one. It is ta. Again, it is ta. Like this. This is the character of ta. And next, tell louder. Where is xiao? The first one or the second one? Very good. The second one. This is xiao. Again, xiao ta. Xiao. Again, ta. Xiao. Very good. Now, do you know what is this? What character is this? Is it ta or xiao? Very good. This is ta. Again, this is ta. This is the character of ta. Ta, in English, it means big. What about this one? What character is this? This character is xiao. Again, xiao. In English, it means small. Again, ta, xiao, big and small. Minpai ma? Understood? Very good. And let us end our video tutorial with this song.
Hi everyone! This is TSERJAY once again. Please let me know kung meron kayong natutunan at kung meron pa kayong gustong matutunan tungkol sa pag-aaral ng Basic Mandarin Chinese. Kaya don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell or bell button para maging updated ka sa mga bagong video ko. 再见!